Being tickled is fun for some and very uncomfortable for others. There are also people who are hypersensitive to tickling. Some of us can even be tickled without being touched, but we cannot tickle ourselves. I wonder why. Why is this ticklish happening? Let's take a look at this issue with you. Scientists have wondered and researched this issue like us. As a result of research, scientists have determined that tickling stimulates your hypothalamus, the area of the brain responsible for your emotional responses, your fight or flight and response to pain. When tickled, you may be laughing not because you're having fun, but because you're having an autonomous sensory response. In fact, when you observe someone tickled, you'll find that their body movements often resemble those of someone who is experiencing severe pain. And people always laugh the same way, whether tickled by a person or a machine. According to researchers, there are two types of tickling. First, gargalesis. The tickling that causes laughter when someone repeatedly touches the tickled areas of your body is called gargalesis. This tickling cannot happen spontaneously. The second one is nismesis. Researchers have named the tickle as nismesis, which is caused by gentle movements on your skin that don't usually cause laughter. This type of tickling may be spontaneous. I think we have found answers to most of our questions so far. Now let's take a look at which parts of our body are usually ticklish. Actually, you can be tickled from any part of your body. These areas can vary from person to person. However, common ticklish areas are stomach, sides of the trunk, underarms, under the feet and neck. Well, so far we have learned why we are ticklish and from which body parts we are ticklish more. But we still don't know why we can't tickle ourselves. Let's find an answer to that question. This is most likely because we can guess at the feeling. In other words, the most important factor in our tickling is that this situation is sudden and unannounced. Then we can control our ticklish somehow by deceiving our brain. You can trick your brain by placing your hands on the hands of the person who tickled you. This allows your brain to anticipate sensations and suppress the tickle response. We have come to the end of this video. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with more interesting information.